Hi everyone, welcome to Cook. I'm Xinyu. This time we cook the Sichuan soya scallion oil noodle. The most important ingredients is the scallion oil. Remember, last time we cooked the scallion oil. Like I said, I will share some dishes with the scallion oil. So we start with cooking soya scallion oil noodles. If you're new here, later you can check the video link in the description below how to make the scallion oil. For the rest of the ingredients list, you can find in the description of the video as well. So let's start cook. Now we use the scallion oil that we cooked from last time to pan fry the sliced scallions. This way can give it extra flavor of the scallions, will give noodles more taste. It smells so good. Now it's time for you to cook. If you have any question, you can leave your comments below. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.